How to clean cloth car seats. Have you ever sat in your car, looked at your seats, and thought, wow, when did they get this dirty? Maybe it's those coffee spills from last month, the crumbs from a fast food run, or even pet hair that just won't go away. No matter how careful we are, cloth car seats attract stains, dirt, and grime over time. And let's be honest, dirty seats not only look bad, but they can also trap odors, making your car feel less fresh and inviting. But don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best way to clean your cloth car seat step by step, using simple tools and cleaning solutions you may already have at home. Whether you're dealing with stubborn stains, bad odors, or just general wear and tear, by the end of this video, your seats will look fresh, clean, and like new again. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to removing stains, using alternatives to fabric cleaners, and maintaining cloth car seats. Now let's get started. Method 1. Removing stains. Number 1. Vacuum the seats. Before you clean your cloth seats, you need to remove all debris, dirt, and crumbs. Vacuum the seats well. Make sure to get into the seams. Use your fingers to separate the seams and stick the nozzle of the vacuum into the seams to remove any loose debris. Number 2. Spray a light coat of cleaning solution on the seat. You should use a fabric or cloth cleaning product to clean cloth seats instead of an all-purpose cleanser. Lightly spray the solution over the area that you want to clean. Try 4 to 5 sprays over the area. Make sure not to spray so much that you saturate the area. This can lead to mold and smells on the cushion underneath the cloth. Number 3. Use an interior brush on the area. Before spraying cleaner on a new area, work on the area you just sprayed. Work on one area at a time, immediately brushing the area after spraying. Use a soft or medium stiff interior brush to massage the cloth seat. Don't use a stiff carpet brush on cloth interiors. This can mess up the cloth fibers on the seat. Number 4. Wipe away dirty suds with a microfiber towel. Massaging the cloth helps bring dirt to the surface. When the suds start to gather with dirt in them, use a microfiber towel to wipe away the dirty suds. Make sure to do this before it dries, which will put the dirt back on the seat. Number 5. Repeat until clean. Repeat the same process, spraying, massaging, and wiping, until the area is clean. Remember, the key is light coats before you brush instead of saturating the fabric with solution. It may take 3 to 6 coats to remove the stain. Number 6. Vacuum again after you're finished. When you've finished removing the stain, use the vacuum on the area again. This helps dry up any wet saturation that has accumulated and dry the fabric. Let the seats finish drying before driving the car anywhere. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using alternatives to fabric cleaners. Number 1. Try laundry detergent. If you want to try something in your home before buying a specific fabric cleaner, you can try laundry detergent. Mix laundry detergent with hot water. You can place it in a spray bottle or dampen the seats with the solution with a sponge. To help rinse the laundry detergent, wet a microfiber towel with cold water. Squeeze out the excess water and scrub the seat to remove dirt and detergent. Number 2. Use vinegar. White distilled vinegar can be used to make a fabric cleaner. Mix 1 cup or 250 milliliters of vinegar, a few drops of dish soap, and a gallon or 4 liters of hot water. Dab this mixture onto the seat and use a brush to clean the area. Use clean water to rinse the solution. Use a microfiber towel to remove any dirty suds. Number 3. Make a baking soda solution. Baking soda can be used as a cleanser and help get rid of unpleasant smells on cloth seats. Mix a 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of baking soda with 1 cup or 250 milliliters of warm water. Place a light layer of the solution on the seats. Use a toothbrush to work over the stain. This can help with really difficult stains. Leave on for 30 minutes for tough stains that are stuck in the cloth. After half an hour, blot away the stain with a clean towel. Number 4. Use club soda. Club soda can be used to get rid of stains on cloth seats. You can spray a light layer of club soda on the stain and use a brush to remove the stain. Reapply as needed, making sure to wipe the excess as it comes to the surface. Club soda is good for vomit stains. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Maintaining cloth car seats. Number 1. Vacuum your car often. Vacuuming your car seats can help keep them clean. Vacuuming up debris and dirt can help prevent things from getting stuck in the upholstery. Consider getting your car vacuumed every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how much dirt is inside. Number 2. Clean spills and stains as soon as they occur. Another way to help avoid stains on your cloth car seats is to clean up any spills as soon as they happen. You should also deal with debris that causes stains immediately, like mud, blood, or grease. As soon as a spill occurs, use a towel or cloth to soak up the mess. If something like mud, food, or makeup gets on your seats, clean it with a fabric cleaner as soon as you get home. Number 3. Set rules for your car. If you are concerned about stains on your cloth seats, consider setting car rules about what you allow in your car. For example, you may not allow people to eat in your car, and only drink beverages that have a lid. If someone has mud or dirt on their shoes, you may ask them to remove them and place them in the trunk or in a plastic bag. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.